As you may know, my channel is coming up on 100,000 subscribers. I would say probably in the next month, probably like a month from now, around August 13th or so, I will have probably reached 100,000 subscribers. And that's a pretty big milestone on YouTube. They send you a silver play button. It's pretty cool. But it's not a joke. It blows my mind that I'm even making this video right now, even talking about reaching 100,000 subscribers, because when I started my YouTube channel many years ago, I never imagined that I'd even get to this point, and now it's like, well, I'm here, might as well start working towards 1 million subscribers. But why I'm making this video today is because I want to get your input. You helped me reach this milestone, so what do you want to do to celebrate my channel reaching 100,000 subscribers? I want you to comment in and give me your suggestions. I'll take 4 or 5 suggestions and put them into a poll, and then you will have the opportunity to vote to help choose the topic for the celebration video. So what is it that you'd like to see? Do you want to see stuff in my office? Do you want to see a special tutorial? Do you want me to go somewhere? Do you want me to interview somebody? It can be fun, it can be informative, it can be educational, it can be funny, just nothing offensive or inappropriate or anything like that. I'm really excited to hear what you come up with. I also want to put out a request for viewers who want to make their own video and post it to their own YouTube channel talking about their experiences watching my tutorials. Have my tutorials been helpful? Have they inspired you? Basically, I want you to share your story and your experiences with my channel. I highly recommend that you make your video appropriate for all ages, because I'm going to add your videos into my celebration video so that you have an opportunity to be a part of that video as well. You make this channel possible, and I really appreciate that. So comment down below, let me know what you want to see in my celebration video, and record a video about your experiences with my tutorial channel, and make sure you post it to your channel and send me a link before August 13th. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.